Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the FOCHIER F 3-tier rolling utility cart. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So when you get it out of the box, you'll see three different bins as well as a couple different pieces, wheels, and then of course the assembly instructions. So we'll go ahead and put it together. So assembly literally just takes about 2 minutes. You're literally just attaching the wheels, clicking the assembly rods together, and then these come, and you want to make sure that the when you do this, you'll kind of see that the on the inside of these there's a little bar on the assembly rod, and then on the baskets there is an outer leg, so you just want to kind of flip that over the legs, and then they'll all kind of settle. How you want to do it with the two different legs, there are two wheels that have locking mechanisms, so be aware of that. Try and keep them on the same side depending on how you're going to lay this out. But this thing's rolly and small and compact, and definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.